board exams are over. So, what now? Sleeping all day? Scrolling your phone? Wait. Here are 5 smart things you can do to make the most of this time. Tip 1. Learn a new skill. Now is the best time to try something new. Learn coding, graphic design, or content writing. A new skill today can open big opportunities tomorrow. Tip 2. Build your resume. Good marks are important, but experience matters too. Do an internship, take an online course, or volunteer. These small steps will help you in the future. Tip 3. Explore career options. Not sure what to do next? No problem. Research different careers, talk to experts, or take an online career test. The more you explore, the better choice you'll make. Tip 4. Take a break, but use it well. Yes, you deserve a break. But use it wisely, read books, travel, or start a hobby. Fun plus learning a great future. Tip 5. Stay healthy, be active. Healthy body, a sharp mind. Play a sport, go for a walk, or do yoga. Staying active keeps you fresh and focused for your next big step. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. Which tip will you try first? Comment below. And follow the True Topper for more career tips.